viewers and subscribers. I welcome you back to another show from Dine's Kitchen channel. Now today I'm here to show you how to prepare a more healthier smoothie. So join me over in my kitchen and I'll show you how I prepare this smoothie. Now, here I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 cup of oats, 3 mangoes, and 4 cups of water. This is all I need to make my mango smoothie. Here I have the oats and the cinnamon, which is two powerful and healthy foods for your body. And I will give you the benefits of these two foods in a minute. Now first you need to wash your mangoes and peel them, remove the skin, all right? Now here I remove the skin from the mangoes and I will slice it like this to remove the food, right? Just peel it off and add it to the blender, right? Just like that. Right, peel it off. See? So I'll give you 3 health benefits of oats. Number 1, oats promote healthy skin due to the vitamins and minerals they contain. Rich in antioxidants, which alleviate itch, inflammation, and high blood pressure. Rich in protein and carbohydrate, which will improve your energy for an effective workout. Now the benefits of cinnamon powder. 1, improve your energy level by stabilizing your blood sugars throughout the day. 2, protects from heart disease that will lower blood sugar and the risk of type 2 diabetes. And it may be beneficial for aging brain. That is how healthy this smoothie is, using 2 powerful foods. So here I'll add my oats, my cinnamon powder, and some ice. Then I'll blend. Now you see why you don't need any milk in this smoothie? The oats have protein in it, packed full of carbohydrate. And now I will pour my smoothie. Now guys, let's enjoy. Cheers! Wow, magnificent. Yes, delicious, refreshing, amazing. Now try this mango oat smoothie every day. I can tell you, your body will love you for it. Do remember to subscribe, share the videos, like the videos, and comment. See you in my next video. One love.